In cause number ending in 302, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we make an oral motion to amend the indictment to remove the defendant's middle name, Guadalupe. Additionally, Your Honor, we'll waive the habitual offender enhancement.
Okay.
Let's rewind. This guy admits on record to stealing from the grandfather of the special needs kid he's now living with. That's not a red flag. It's a crime scene preview. And the mom's still defending him. We're not even 20 seconds in, and the moral math is already broken.
Elderly or disabled person with intentionally bodily injury, and the cause number ending in 304, you're charged with assault family household with a previous conviction. Both of those charges are third-degree felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. Defense?
Yes.
State?
That's the plea, yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, there be any such motion? Then in the cause number ending in 302, how do you plea? In the cause number ending in 304, how do you plea?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, with regard to both cases, they will offer into evidence case exhibit 1 with all attachments. Okay.
All right, state, and have you had a chance to speak with the complainants?
We have. She was unable to make it today because she would like to give an impact statement, and she was asking if Your Honor would consider delaying sentence to maybe Monday so she can come in.
All right.
Thank you.
And let me ask you, is she able to Zoom in?
Legal note. Both counts are third-degree felonies, 2 to 10 years each. The state's already signaled they'll run concurrent, meaning he's not getting 20. But Judge Boyd, she can still max him out on 1. Keep that in mind when you hear his excuse in a minute.
I can call and see if she can right now, actually.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Just for the record, I'm supposed to be starting trial Monday in 175th, so I'm probably not.
In each cause number, the court will find that there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
I would like to proceed today, Your Honor. Actually, I spoke to the DA, not fellow, but earlier. She's not here now. She said that she was not seeking to have the victim in that statement, that she told the mother that it wasn't going to happen. So that's what she told me. I thought I was kind of surprised. But I'd like to go forward today.
All right, anything you wish to say? So why did you do this?
The kid was doing anonymous stupid things, and he tried to work on me.
I'm sorry, you said the kid was doing what?
Anonymous stupid things.
What does that mean, anonymous stupid things?
Touching his knees, watching him and his mom have stole the phone from his girlfriend.
Oh, so then why are you not closing your door?
Because there wasn't a door.
All right, so then that sounds like a you problem. And this child is special needs. So what have you done to this child other than put fear into this child?
I just spoke to him about.
This is the moment the courtroom holds its breath. Judge Boyd, normally ice cold, just asked the one question every viewer is screaming. And the answer: anonymous stupid things. That's not a justification. That's a self-incriminating meme. You can hear the gavel loading.
You're complaining about him and you were not even employed. So how are you making money?
A job for her.
I'm sorry, what?
Helping her with the job she was doing. She's a home care provider.
Oh my gosh. Just have all these random people being home health care providers. So basically you were doing nothing. You decided to get in a relationship with someone who has a special needs child. You're living off of her. You're doing nothing. And the fact that you have zero patience with this child, and for them to put in the police report that you're a stepfather, I can't even believe they would use those terms with you. You don't have any patience, and somebody is letting you and her be a home health care provider. And how old are you?
I'm 43.
So you're doing anonymous things like not having employment. This is what the court will do. In cause number 2025 CR 005304, the court is going to find you guilty.
Translation: unemployed, living rent-free, eating food bought with a special needs child's benefit checks, and still finding the energy to bully that same kid. If rage could be monetized, the comment section would fund the national debt.
The court will sentence you to 8 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. Credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Carlos Coronado or Andrea Graham. There's to be no residing in any household with minors, and there's to be no contact with minors. This will run concurrently with 2025 CR 005302. And cause number 2025 CR 005302. Court is finding you guilty. Court will sentence you to 8 years in the prison.
Notice the wording, no residing in any household with minors. That's not just probation. It's a lifetime ban from ever living with kids again. Judge Boyd is essentially branding him a legal predator in open court. Appeal. Forget it, he already signed that away.
Give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 005304. There's to be no contact with Carlos Coronado, Andrea Graham. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no residing in households with minors and no contact with minors. In each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Sure.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, because they're an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we're off the record. Here's the reason. This is why I'm doing no contact and no residing in households with children. You know why I'm doing that? Because there is somebody who had a special needs child, decided that you were a good catch, and guess what? You don't have employment, you have no means of supporting yourself, and she's probably receiving funds for that child because that child is special needs, and y'all just living off that child.
And mic drop. Judge Boyd just turned the sentencing into a public service announcement. If you shack up with a violent felon to milk your kid's disability check, CPS will come knocking. This isn't just justice. It's a warning shot to every enabler watching.
And Child Protective Service should be called because she shouldn't have custody of that child, because she's bringing somebody in her household who has prior convictions for affirmative family violence, and she thought you were a great catch. Somebody who has no job, previous convictions, and letting them live in the home, live off a special needs child. So that is why. So that will not be happening. Do you understand?
Sure.
Oh, and you're dismissing this case?
Yes, sir.
All right, they're dismissing the missing witness. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mhm.